lost?
We mean you got lost. Welcome to 6466, the Havana Aft, whatever they call it, premium, I think, something or another. You're going to get a little bit of a trade-off if you're used to suites like we are. A little bit of a trade-off. This is a smaller room. Okay, so let's just start over here. We have a couch, standard couch. It's not real great. All right, and then you just have a your counter space right here, and you have a fridge. We just got in here, so we don't know how to open up a refrigerator. So there's that. So bed, of course. Looks like got a couple of lamps. Trying to look, see if there's any USB charging ports. I don't see any. First time glancing at the room, so we're seeing this all together. So before we go to the bathroom, while we're over here, you have your cabinet space right here. Got some drawers, safe and all that. Not a lot of leg room. Here, let me see the camera. So over here you can hang stuff up right here. This looks like it's movable. You know, you can probably just stand that up if you have dresses or whatever. And then of course, you know, this side. So you do have limited space on this side. So you're trading off a few things here. Before we go outside, let's take a look at the bathroom. The bathroom is very small. Again, if you're used to a suite. Now, if you're used to regular rooms, this is a standard bathroom. So there you go. Nothing too impressive. But this is where it gets stupid. This is, hang on, I saw some ports, charging ports. So yeah, you do have charging ports right there. USB charging ports. This is where it gets stupid. This right here. This is the reason why you get this room. Look how stupid big this thing is. Look how stupid this is. This should be illegal. Look at this. Hey, stand over there. Oh, careful. Look, Dan and see me. Look how big this thing is. It's just huge. It's just huge. And you get to get a good look at the pool, 2 hot tubs. This is all the Havana area. And you have access to this. So yeah, this is what you get. This is why you get this room, for this. Don't trip, don't trip. When I was doing what you guys are doing, looking for information on this room, I saw a video of a guy sitting there running. And yes, you could actually get up to full stride. This is that big. And yeah, that's the thing. When you look up here, you will see that, you know, this is what your neighbors will be kind of looking at the top of your head. Not much shade. But beautiful room, beautiful view, and I'll do a separate video for a tour of the Havana. So, but yeah, 6466 on the Carnival Vista. Thanks for watching.